Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of High Garage. Paolo here, and we are officially launching the season of the extremely cool design and super limited edition helmets. So here we have it. Here we have the celebration livery of the racing heritage of Yamaha in the white and the red. So this t-shirt actually came with the helmet, and I opened the plastic bag just now, so it's brand new. I never wore it. It's an XL size, and it comes with the helmet, so I will keep it as part of the collection for the helmet, so for its unique features. And of course I still have the original visor. I have it on the black visor, and I still have the original box. So this is a limited edition helmet. This is the number 1987 out of 2000. So this is extremely rare helmet. Is the T-Tech Evolution helmet from AGV in size medium L, and as you can see here, the back is celebrating the 7th title. So this is from the race of 2005 Valencia, so the last race of the year. And he had already won the title, so he could put this number 7 during the race. He came second in the race, came third in the race behind Marco Melandri, who won, and Nicky Hayden, and he was actually starting from 15 from the grid. So Rossi has always been, unfortunately, not very successful in his qualifying, and for some time, even when he was winning titles one after the other, he was not new to be starting from the back and then claiming even wins all the way from the back. In this particular case, he couldn't, unfortunately, but he still came to the podium. So this helmet is very much iconic, beautiful in its design, in the little details that we can appreciate in a minute on the close-ups. And the number 46, the number 1, and of course the AGV old logo that we can see. So this is extremely rare helmet, beautiful in its shape and design, beautiful in its concept, with the phoenix and the snakes and the hippo at the front. I hope that you can appreciate it in the details, all these designs. And so the story behind this helmet basically is telling what? It's telling us that in 2005 he managed to snap the 7th title, and this was actually designed from Starline. So this was not from Aldo Drudi. So this is again quite peculiar, because Aldo Drudi has established himself as one of the most successful creative designer of the MotoGP paddock, but he has always been linked to Valentino Rossi. So it's interesting to have one that actually was not designed by Aldo Drudi. And it's interesting also to note that basically Valentino Rossi, starting from 2005, he still had, quite some years of career, so he's still riding today, believe it or not, and he has made all the way to the 9th title, almost the 10th title, and some believe that the 10th title was just stolen out of him back in 2015. So if you consider that this was basically 10 years earlier than the 2015 infamous championship, where he almost won it, and then, as we know, the incident with Marc Marquez, and the rest is history. But nevertheless, so we are starting basically the season of the super limited edition and the extremely detailed design of Valentino Rossi. And as you know, not only Valentino Rossi, we have plenty of helmets coming from the heritage of World Superbike and MotoGP. You can watch all the helmets on my eBay store, High Ride Garage at eBay store. And guys, thank you very much for watching. I do hope that you enjoy this one. Many more to come, and as you know, for all the subscribers, there will be some gift helmets or gift motorcycle parts. So don't forget to subscribe, like, give it a thumb up, And just because we passed recently the 500 subscribers, in the next few episodes we will announce the winner of the high ride design helmet, which probably most of you saw during the 2020-2021 New Year's Eve celebration video. Thank you very much guys for watching. It was nice to have you here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.